Here's a shot of what it looks like with the factory radiator installed. All I need to do is disconnect the transmission lines and I'll be ready to pull this thing out. Okay, here's another shot of this, looking down on it. I don't know if this will help show what it looks like and the space that's there. Okay, I got the radiator out. Here's what it looks like, factory one compared to the cold case. Tank size is about the same, but the core is where it makes the biggest difference. I noticed too this factory one's got a lot of debris kind of plugging it up. Kind of hard to see right there, but it is. So I'm going to get this thing installed and take some shots of the fits. I am going to have to swap the grommets out and put them in here, but other than that I shouldn't have to do anything else. Here's a shot of it. I just got it installed. It fit perfectly.